told this before. Oh my God. Hey y'all, so guess what? So don't mind my shirt. I don't really watch football, but I got this shirt as a hand-me-down, you know what I'm saying? It's nighttime. So today I'm coming to you. Everybody's asleep. What time is it? Well, it's like 11:12, like 11:12. Okay, and so I'm gonna do my wash day tomorrow, and that's why my hair is like this, because baby, if I took this off, you'll run away. What I want you to say, okay? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? But let me tell you, so you know, I'm always trying to test something. I'm doing the most right now, especially since I'm in quarantine. I got nothing else to do. Thank you, Amazon. Shout out to you. So the bar has been impeccable, okay? But anyways, let's get back to the whole video. And let me say, you know, if you don't know, I'm trying to spread happiness like butter on bread. You heard what I said, don't let it go over your head. So let's go ahead to the video. And we're here in the flesh. So I got flax seeds. No, I'm not gonna, well, I wanna try it because it says I can try it. And I got this off of Amazon, and I wanted it there quicker than all the other stuff. So basically what I did, I ordered it and ended up going to Walmart like a few days ago with my little mask on and all that, protected, period. And it was cheaper. This was, I don't know how much, but it was more than Walmart. At Walmart, I saw the $4, and I said, but I didn't feel like shipping it all back and doing all that. So I'm gonna try it. So I'll link it down below if you want to get like the same ones I got or whatever. It say you can put it in a whole bunch of stuff, so I'll probably try it in some food or whatever. So I'm gonna open this up. Today I'm gonna be making a flaxseed gel to put in my natural hair, because why not? Yeah, it's not good old fashioned pot, you know it works because it's been through a lot. So I got this recipe from a few people. I saw it off of one of my good friends. She does, she has like really pretty hair, and her name is Asia, hey girl. And I said, let me try this. So I just been looking up different stuff. So she gave me some measurements, and I got some measurements for a whole bunch of things, but I think I'm gonna do like a cup and a half of water or something. A cup and a half of water. Gotta go ahead and open up these bad boys. It don't stink. Got a cute little smell. Y'all go ahead and smell it. What it smell like? What is it? Look, it smell like peanuts. I'm gonna try some. It tastes like peanuts, low-key. Like when you ever had a peanut and you crack that jar. Yeah, buddy. So, here we go. It says do a 4. Ooh. Y'all see this precision and excellence? Boy, I tell ya, I'm a star. So I'm gonna twist the heat. Wrong one. Good gracious. There we go. This girl is a fire. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour them junks in there. Hey, this spoon is so cute. It's like my favorite spoon to eat with. It's like the size of my head. I'm kind of impatient, so we're gonna go ahead and set it on high. They say when it start looking like mucus is when we good. So gonna let it sit there for a little bit, and so the time is up and it looks like the job is done. So we're gonna let it sit for 30 minutes. A lot of y'all, these are some pantyhose. My mama actually had some, but you know, it been on your feet and stuff, so I said I don't know about it. Let me go get some soap, and I'm gonna wash the one that I'm gonna use, just so you know we're keeping it clean. Oh, it actually don't stink. This is the bottom of the sock, so I'm gonna probably cut it like half of it. Should I? Yeah. And it's off. So in case you're going through this too, you get this, you're gonna pour it on there like so. Antibacterial, baby, and scrub a dub dub. I'm gonna use one of my containers that's like this just because it's smaller. Y'all can see it. Wow, it's pretty thick. Can't tell already. Oh, dang. Okay, this is like some grits. talk about some good tonight. Okay, people, the moment you've been waiting for. Is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? Let's see, maybe if I put some more muscle power. Ah, there she goes. Okay, that sounded, wow. Dang, y'all, I can't even do that right. Gee Whittakers. Let's try to get these seeds back up on in there. No seed left behind. Where y'all thought y'all was going? I ain't forget about y'all. Okay. You better come on, girl. I'm gonna tie it up like this so they ain't gonna slip out nowhere. This feels very interesting. I actually really like this consistency. OMG. All this needs to come on now. People kept talking about, oh my gosh, it smells so good. I don't know about all that. I will say my hands do feel like soft. People kept talking about the hands feel soft. But I'm putting this, I don't know if I'm gonna store it in the refrigerator or not because I don't know protocol. But I feel like when in doubt, refrigerator it out. So I'm debating on, cause I never just did like a wash and go look. So I'm debating if I just wanna put it in there, twist it up and see, or just put it in there and kind of rake it through and see where we go. Look at this definition, honey, yes! Okay, so update, it is running through the streets with their rose and it's like leaking all down my face and stuff. So if you're walking around, you know, throwing a little scar, shall we, darling? So I dried off my microfiber towel because I couldn't find my other one. And honestly, I would suggest, because I used to use a cotton shirt, but just look at the different definition. Like, I feel like it doesn't take no moisture from my hair at all, like whatsoever. And this is after that egg and honey. I've never put honey in it. I don't know if that made the difference or what, but get into this, y'all. Like, look at it. No leave-in conditioner, no conditioner. I just shampooed it. And voila! Might split the 6 sections in half. Whenever I start doing so, it's gonna be 12 parts, but you start with 6 and you just split it. That's the question we're gonna ask ourselves. I put some leave-in in. I don't think you should put too much, cause that in gel might cause flaking. It smells like sunflower seeds. That's what it smells like. Or maybe some milk too, I don't know. It smells interesting. So after we do that, I'm gonna make sure it's through my hair again. And they say you wanna make sure it's evenly distributed so it won't flake up by itself. So I'm also gonna get my brush. I'm gonna comb through it again just to see. I never do wash and go, so I'm gonna figure out how this go. After I'm done, I wanna get the back again. I'm loving this. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba! I might twist it tonight, just because, but yeah. Look like we're working with something. We're working with something, people. On to the next one. Want to make sure it's wet. Oh, that wasn't smart. After that, we're gonna add a little bit of leave-in. No twist left behind, or no curl left behind. After you pretty much see, this is that part. The back of my hair is different than all the other my hair, so yeah. We are going to get some more of the gel. Put it together, it's like a dime or so. And then boom, we're gonna rub it, make sure it's evenly distributed. I don't know, maybe I can still just brush it with all the other hair too. I mean, it ain't gonna hurt it, right? So we're just gonna continue to brush it. Maybe that one section is big enough for me to just do it all at one time. I ain't never did this before I was trying it out, but it's taking forever. Maybe, no, let me continue to do the individual sections so I don't mess it up. Each section needs its own tender loving care, y'all. So, oops. Comment, I've never had like an actual wash and go to where it's like, oh, my curls stay the same. So this is gonna be interesting if this actually works. But we're working. I turned the light off. Y'all can see. I can't see what y'all can see, but my orange lamp. Yeah. I think it's fine. I just don't understand. Okay, we're gonna try this again. I'm gonna try it again. Maybe I'm supposed to put more of the gel. Want to make sure that we're good. I don't know if I should use a comb or we just gonna use a brush. Maybe I'll add a little bit more too on this part. We'll see whenever at the end. Should I have done it or not? Make sure you don't overdo it. Hopefully I'm not overdoing it. I think I'm overdoing it. I don't know, y'all put on y'all scalp. We're gonna try it. They say flaxseed good for the soul. Now kind of make sure it's distributed evenly. I'm here for this. I am. The definition is there. So I can do that. Okay, my good people, I'll do a spin. This is what the end of the road looks like. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. It haven't been an hour. It haven't been even 5 minutes. I'm just sitting here and it's just like, it keeps going down and down and down. And it's like, I don't know if it's losing the definition or what. I'm probably just gonna do like 10 twists or something in my head. I don't know, but just where it can be kind of stretched out or something. Cause right now, it's just like limping and I don't know. I don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and restyle. Okay, I'm back and better than ever. So what I end up doing is braiding it. So we're gonna see how this comes out. I don't want to add rollers at the end because I just kind of want to see what it's gonna do by itself. But I did like the flaxseed. I did, but it just don't work with my hair when it's tired of wash and go. So I'm gonna come back another day, maybe tomorrow, when it's dry and stuff. We gonna see what it really did. Tootie did, tootie done. Okay?